Video chart presentation to CrowdGather Inc. CrowdGather is a bulletin board listed company, trading our ticker CRWG. This company just made a stellar move, came off the bottom down here around 11 cents, all the way up to 51 cents. Some profit taking came in. Stock's basically been in a consolidation pattern ever since, holding a nice support level around 26, 27 cents. Right now, this chart looks pretty well positioned to possibly try and make another move up. See the MACD histogram trending back towards zero. That means there's about to be a bullish cross. The 12 passed through the 26 EMA. What I'd look for at that point is the 12 and 26 to make their way break back through zero. It's commonly referred to as breaking the money line, and it's a very bullish position. Very similar look to the PPO. ADX during the big run got up very high. It's cooled off now. Basically flatline, starting to creep upward just a little bit. But overall, it's pretty neutral right now as far as showing any strength to a trend. MFIs are whipsawing around a little bit. The 7 breaking up through 21, right around 50. That's what I want to see. I want to see the MFIs in the upper half of the indicator. It's a sign of strength and a sign of buying. Over the last couple months, accumulation distribution is now trending back upward. What I look for is something along those lines. I want to see it come through, make a higher high as well, develop a firm upward channel. Shake and money flow, holding above zero. That tells me that over the last 20 periods, buying is outweighing selling pressure. Not getting much from the CCI, down pretty low. I'd like to see it hold over top of negative 100. Dips below negative 100 indicate weakness. Full stow. It's on a nice upward path right now. It's a sign of momentum coming into the play, and breaking through 50 shows the momentum is really gaining some strength. The tricks, it's a lagging indicator. It moves much more slowly, but it's flattening out and also looks like a bullish cross move if possible. RSIs also trending upward, but much like many other indicators, I want to see them up above 50. That shows a lot of momentum in the play. Right now, all three registering right around that 50 mark. I'll be looking for a break upward off of the support level, which should push the RSIs back over top of 50 and potentially up near 70. As far as the candles go, as I mentioned, nice support level right there at 26 in the near term. If you take that back further, you can see historically 27 was a resistance point, and it should serve as support. Point being that right now through the 26, 27, that is a good area of support. It's a key area I'd be looking for to hold. Because if it can't, the potential is the price per share might slip back down around 22 and try and catch this old bottom. So with this closing at 28 cents, that would be a key mark for me on the support side. As far as resistance goes, I'd want to see it break through 30. It's had a difficult time over the last 3 weeks or so with pushing through that mark. 50-day moving average is registering 31, and I always want to see a price per share trading over top of the 50 and 200-day moving averages. It's much more bullish, and that's what I'd be looking for in the near term with CrowdGather, is to push through that level. Beyond that, I see some more resistance coming in at 34, and then I'd be looking back around 40 cents at that point, and then talk about old highs of 51 cents. But I'd look for 40 cents to be the next area of tough resistance. Now, obviously, that's a nice climb from where it is, adding 12 cents a share. That's nearly a 50% move. But more importantly, it'll be shifting these indicators into truly bullish positions. If a rise happens in any sort of pullback, I want to look for a new support level to be established. Hold that level, and then try and make the next leg up and try and come back through 40 and potentially challenge the old highs around 50, 51 cents. Volume has been relatively consistent over the last week or so, but remains relatively low. These low volume plays I especially keep an eye on because they can move very easily with little amounts of pressure. Even going back into this huge move, a big volume day was just over 400,000 shares, and when that sort of buying pressure came in, the stock made big skips from 18 cents all the way up to those highs. So I'd have my eyes peeled for some volume bars to start to increase to show that people see the support level as a buy point, and I want to see strong volume to blow through resistance points. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the CRWG chart, but as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the baystreet.ca website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by baystreet.ca is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.